How to block notifications on Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings. And here from the basics section, you want to click on notifications, and once you do that, you will be redirected to the Chrome Notifications Center on your mobile device. What you want to do here is you want to scroll all the way down and click on in-app notification settings, which will redirect you back to the notification center on the Chrome app, from which you will see the notifications option, and it has a toggle next to it that's turned on, and it says that sites can ask to send notifications. So what you need to do in order to turn off or stop notifications in Google Chrome is just click on that toggle to turn it off. And as you can see, as soon as we did that, it says that notifications are blocked and you will get no notifications on Google Chrome app. Another option that you can use is to use quieter messaging, which will block notification prompts from interrupting you by checking the box right here. So you can choose whatever option that suits you the best. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can stop and disable the notifications on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.